Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that. We had a big green day today, and we had a big earnings day today. We see a lot of stocks up after hours. We actually have Spotify up 3.2%. But the main talk of the town right now is Netflix up 14.4%, causing Roku and Disney both to skyrocket also. So in this video, we're going to talk about earnings. We're going to do an earnings update. We're going to dive into Netflix. If they're a good stock to be buying right now, and they're up 43% in the past 3 months, by the way. If we scroll down, we can see that I'm up 30% on a swing trade. And I also have $1,200 in an option, a call option, 255 call on Netflix. So obviously that's going to be up tremendously tomorrow. Probably made around $1,000 on that call option. So make sure you subscribe with post notifications on YouTube so you don't miss out on these full videos. And let's jump right into the video. Okay, so here we have an article. Netflix snaps streak of subscriber decline and beats on earnings. The stock jumps 15%. Netflix adds 2.4 million new subscribers, doubling expectations ahead of the launch of the ad-supported tier. They were only actually supposed to add around 1 million new subscribers, and they outpaced themselves on those new subscribers. And the new subscribers is almost more important than the revenue or net income for Netflix, so that's why that beat was so important on those increase in subscribers. Netflix added more than 2 million subscribers in the third quarter after stumbling into 2022 with 2 consecutive quarterly declines, a rebound that sent shares more than 15% higher after hours in Tuesday. Netflix reported a net gain of 2.4 million subscribers in the third quarter, while analysts on average were forecasting 1.1 million net additions. That follows a decline of roughly 200,000 subscribers in the first quarter and nearly 1 million in the second quarter, which led the company to plan massive changes, including a cheaper ad-supported streaming tier set to arrive in the fourth quarter, which analysts are super bullish on. So there's definitely a good chance that Netflix continues this bullish momentum that they have in the past 3 months of 43%, because remember, in the last year, they're still down 56%. They were as high as $600 to $700 per share just a year ago in November 2021. And just panning out a little bit and looking at the rest of the week, what we have to offer with the earnings updates. Tuesday after the close, we obviously had Netflix reporting. We had United Airlines. Okay, if we scroll over to Wednesday, which is tomorrow pre-market, we have Procter & Gamble reporting, which is probably the biggest one of that day. But Wednesday after close, we have Tesla, which a lot of people are going to be wanting to trade Tesla. We've already made money with Netflix this week. We still have to make some more money on Tesla and some other stocks in the close friends list. So if you haven't signed up for the close friends list yet and you want to get into option trading or just stock market trading in general, swing trading, go ahead and message me on Instagram, because I do have a few more spots left open this week to make some money with earnings. And everyone who's already signed up this week or last week has already paid for the program for the whole year, because the results are coming in so quick. Earning reports coming out so frequently this week. Okay, so after Tesla, we have IMBD. Moving on to Thursday before open, we have AT&T, American Airlines. Okay, we had United Airlines reporting earnings today, and then we have American Airlines reporting before the open on Thursday. And you can see we have United Airlines up 7% after hour. They did beat on such surging demand with everyone cooped up and wanting to travel. And we can see because of that, American Airlines is already up 3.6%. Tesla is going to be the main attraction on earnings week this week. They're pretty much flat on the day. They're up 3% on the past week. They're down 26% in the past month. Okay, so can they continue this bearish momentum, or will they start bouncing back on killer earnings deliveries and a really good earnings report? Now, one thing to at least consider is a big Tesla stock sales coming. We don't know who, we don't know why or when, and we don't know how much. But it's increasingly likely that Tesla investors will have to deal with their CEO, Elon Musk, buying social media platform Twitter. In the long run, the issue for Tesla investors is management distractions. In the short run, the Twitter purchase means that another large Tesla stock sale is coming, and soon. Just how much, however, isn't clear. So Tesla is just one to be a little bit weary with in the short term. Twitter and Musk were set to go to trial in Delaware on October 17th. That was when a judge paused them until October 6th, after Musk agreed to buy Twitter for his original offer of $54.20 a share. Now, if Musk does want less debt, that means more stock sales. Whatever the final value of Tesla shares Musk sells, it should be in the billions, and it should just be a few days following the Tesla earnings report on October 19th. Musk hasn't been able to sell the shares coming into earnings because management and insiders are typically prohibited from selling quarter end until earnings are reported. Okay, so with that being said, if Tesla does end up rallying on some good news that it hit deliveries and the stock price goes up, it could be a good idea to take a put out once the stock rallies from their earnings report, okay? Because just a few days later, Elon Musk could be selling billions of dollars worth of Tesla shares, which could potentially knock the share price a little bit lower. Now, one silver lining for Tesla investors, an analyst expects an upbeat earnings report from Tesla on Wednesday evening. A bad report could send shares lower, resulting in Musk having to sell more stock to raise the same amount of money, which is bad news. So Elon knows he's going to be selling Tesla stock. Okay, he doesn't obviously want the shares to go down because then he'll have to sell more shares. He is going to do everything in his power for Tesla to go up on this earnings quarter. So when he sells billions of dollars worth of his shares, he doesn't have to sell as many shares because they'll be worth more in a few days. They'll be worth 10% more, for example, if Tesla stock rallies 10% on the news of good earnings. So there's definitely a lot to consider right now with Tesla stock and a bunch of other stocks that are reporting earnings. But if you want the full details of what I'm buying and make it easy and automatic and set on autopilot for you, just DM me. Beginners are welcome too. If you're not that experienced in option trading, I have courses developed for beginners to take you step by step and teach you everything you need to know. And then you can just follow my trades. And also at the same time, you develop a more advanced trader mindset, because I post things in my close friend story that not only you can copy, but you can also learn from every single day and develop your trader skills. I post stuff in there to get you thinking more like an advanced trader every single day. So thank you guys for all the love and support. Subscribe on YouTube, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit those post notifications so you're alerted anytime I post a new video. Share this video with a friend. Comment below what you guys want to see in the next video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.